Guys, I'm here to do a service call on a Reznor Duct Heater. Found this yesterday. We're going to replace this spark igniter sensor pilot assembly. I think the actual name for it is. So I'll get the new one here. Put it together. Climb the ladder, jump. Okay. Grab the bag, dude, and the piece. My unit's back there. My camera died, so I gotta use my phone again. I didn't charge it. That chain unit and that inline Reznor. They got these two old Comfort Star mini splits. They were good. Tested them yesterday. Also, I noticed this unit has a 34 by 12 return. I don't know if that's sufficient enough. This is a 5-ton unit. I'm gonna have to double check that. I gotta get on that side.
I'll shoot you, alright?
Shoot me, boy. Well, don't shake it. You like to shake the camera. I gotta fire you from the camera school, nigga.
Nigga, what the fuck? I didn't get hired to take videos.
Yeah, you did, bro. You're my helper. You help me any way you can. Videos or non-videos. Oh shit.
Oh, you want me to be steady on this fucking freak?
Yeah. Where's the listening? Alright, so this guy will go in here just like so. If I can get it in there. How the hell did I get this? There you go. That's the one. Wait, Martin, I think it was the other way around, no? I don't remember now. Well, wasn't it like this? I think it was like this. I could have sworn it was this way. No? Yeah. It was this way because the gas line was just enough. Alright. Let me get a couple of screws in there.
Oh, we gotta start over.
Why? Oh, why?
I forgot to click play.
Puto. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna put it there. Okay, like so. And then this pilot tube will get connected onto here. Right back there. Oops, sorry guys. Right there. So I'm gonna put this guy in there. So give it a couple turns. It's a little difficult to get in there. She's great. Okay, like so. Gas valve is open. We're gonna connect the power line back right here. And voila, we got a flame. Yes, sir. Oh, I think it just got out, did it? No, it's on, we are on, yeah, it's kind of hard to see this. But we're on. The thing is, yeah, duct furnace, Reznor, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the amperage on the fan, see if we're pushing the air. I should check static pressure, but I'm not going to go there.
Yeah, I know.
Well, you get more amperage opening it, yeah. See, I got 1.4 more amps with the door open, and I think the motor is 6 point something. Don't feel enough air coming out. I mean, these ceilings are pretty high. Got like 20-foot ceilings down there. I got a 5-ton unit like this. Just want to make sure that this guy didn't cut out. she's still on. I think the motor. We checked all the dampers, they're all open. Maybe just needs to be balanced. Need to get a balancer in here. Balance these properly. Alright, let me go down and just double check everything again. Alright guys, take care. High ceilings. That's like up to the ceiling, 20 feet. I think the duct work is good. It's just probably